A very tragic and troubling incident has come to light from Chhattisgarh's Bijapur district. The body of a 33-year-old journalist was found in a septic tank. This comes after he exposed corruption in a rupees 120 crore road construction project in Bastar. The body was found on the property of a local contractor in Chhattisgarh on January 3, 2025. The journalist was identified as Mukesh Chandrakar. The news of his death has sent shockwaves across the state and the journalism fraternity. It has also raised serious concerns about the safety of reporters who investigate corruption reports. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. The Chhattisgarh police have detained 3 individuals for questioning in connection with the case. The police, however, did not disclose the names and said that the details would be revealed later in the day. Jitendra Yadav, Bijapur Superintendent of Police, said Mukesh's body was recovered from the septic tank at 5 p.m. The contractor's employees live on the same premises and several people, including Suresh Chandrakar. They are all being questioned. We are investigating if Mukesh's death is linked to any of his recent stories. The accused will be apprehended soon, he said further. The police also informed that Mukesh's body was discovered after the officers tracked his last known mobile location. His last location is also said to be the compound built at the contractor's place, a property owned by contractor Suresh Chandrakar in Chattanpada, Basti. Raipur senior journalist Sunil Kumar informed that the septic tank from where Mukesh's body was discovered had been recently and freshly sealed with a concrete slab. This made the police suspicious. Following this, a team of forensic experts were also called on the scene for investigation, which is now ongoing. Now, who is Mukesh Chandrakar? Mukesh Chandrakar runs a YouTube channel named Bastar Junction, which had 1.5 lakh subscribers. His channel focused on issues affecting the tribal community and the region's conflict with Naxal forces. He had been missing since the night of January 1st. Mukesh was also associated with national channels. Several journalists from Chhattisgarh alleged that Mukesh has reported corruption in road construction against the contractor Suresh Chandrakar. The visuals of the body recovered from the septic tank have also surfaced on the social media. Keeping in mind the YouTube guidelines and the gruesomeness of the pictures, it cannot be shown here. His body had injuries to the head and the back. It was identified with the help of his clothing. After Mukesh went missing on January 1st, his elder brother, Yukesh, filed a missing person report in Bijapur City Police Station. In application, he mentioned Mukesh's last conversation with journalist Nilesh Tripathi. Yukesh said, Nilesh Tripathi told me that Ritesh Chandrakar, contractor Suresh's brother, was coming to meet Mukesh. He also said Mukesh himself gave this information to Nilesh by calling him at around 6:30 p.m. on January 1st. After submitting the application, Bijapur Superintendent of Police formed a team and started the investigation. During the search on the evening of January 3rd, the body was discovered. Suspicions grew larger as Mukesh had recently covered a series of investigative reports. Let's try to understand what was in this report. The report includes exposure of corruption in a rupees 120 crore road construction project in Bastar. Mukesh Chandrakar had reported to several news channels, including NDTV. According to this report, there has been corruption in the construction of road being built from Gangalore to Nailsar in Bijapur. The report said that there were around 35 potholes in the radius of just 1 kilometer. Apart from this, the quality of the material used in building the construction and the road was said to be very poor. After the publication of this report, the government ordered an inquiry into the activities of the contractor lobby in the region. Jagdalpur Public Works Department also informed an investigation committee to investigate the matter. Following the incident, a war of words has erupted between the Congress party and the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP on Saturday alleged that Suresh Chandrakar was a close aide of State Congress President Deepak Baij. He also posted pictures of Baij with Chandrakar. The BJP's Chhattisgarh unit in a post wrote, it was Deepak Baij who honored Suresh with post of Secretary of SC Morcha of the Congress Party. Various kinds of criminal goods are being sold from the so-called Mohabbat Ki Dukaan, that is shop of love, of Congress. After all the salesmen are criminals. The Congress party, countering BJP's allegation in a post on X, wrote, BJP's Jungle Raj in Chhattisgarh. No one is safe in BJP's Jungle Raj. Law and order is completely destroyed. It is not expected that the media will show the news and question the BJP government. Because Sab Changa Si mode is on in the media. We demand that strict action should be taken in this case. Journalist Mukesh's family should get justice soon. Furthermore, Congress State President Deepak Baid said, under the BJP rule, journalists are paying the price of journalism with their lives. Chhattisgarh's Chief Minister Vishnu Deo Sai condemned the incident. He described it as an irreparable loss to journalism and society. In a post on social media, Sai wrote, the news of murder of the Bijapur's young and dedicated journalist Mukesh Chandrakar-ji is extremely sad and heartbreaking. The culprit of the incident will not be spared under any circumstances. Furthermore, Anurag Dwari, the resident editor of NDTV, praised Mukesh's dedication and called for action to ensure justice. Dwari said this is a stark reminder of risks journalists face every day. Mukesh's commitment will not be forgotten. The Editors Guild of India is deeply disturbed by the reports of suspected murder of Mr. Mukesh Chandrakar. Their statement read, the young journalist's death is matter of grave concern as it raises suspicion of foul play. The Editors Guild calls on the government of Chhattisgarh to spare no efforts in investigating the case speedily and bringing the guilty to the book. According to reports, Mukesh and his elder brother Yukesh, also a journalist, have supported each other after losing their parents at a young age. Colleagues describe that Mukesh as fearless, dedicated and deeply passionate about uncovering the truth even in the face of significant personal risk. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.